first off, I gotta say this exhaust looks gorgeous. Everything from the tips to the mufflers, resonators, welds, the flanges, the piping, it's all top notch, and it fits this car perfectly. And here's why. The first gen, in my opinion, gives off more of a hot boy vibe, where when you see it, you're like, oh, that driver's off doing some hoonigan shit. Well, this second gen has more of a mature and sophisticated look to it, and you get the same impressions with this exhaust. It's not obnoxiously loud, but it's also not quiet either. It certainly makes its presence known. So when you step on the throttle, you get that nice throaty exhaust tone that's just music to your ears, and it's fantastic to listen to. But the best part of this exhaust is the design. It utilizes some Helmholtz resonators that are tuned specifically to cut out certain frequencies, and in this case, the frequencies that cause drones. So when you're cruising on the highway at 60 or 70 miles per hour, it's quiet and you don't have that annoying drone in your ears. And after driving cars that are way too loud, this is a breath of fresh air. Now, it's 93 millimeter burnt titanium tips that lead to, actually, I think that equates to 3.7 inches for those of you who didn't know. And that leads to the iconic N1 mufflers. And even though they're not massive tips, with those mufflers behind them, they actually fill out the exhaust cutouts quite nicely. And I'm a fan of the look. The system weighs 31 pounds, so you're also shaving some weight there as well. So I'd say if you're looking for a top-notch quality exhaust that is well-rounded, certainly take a look at this Apex I exhaust. I'll leave a link down below. Let me know what you guys think. Comment below which exhaust you guys want to hear next. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.